This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering silicone putty, a soft wax layer, cotton swabs, and scissors, then clean your work surface and hands. Press a golf ball size of putty to warm it with your palms so it becomes pliable. Once it softens, roll into a tapered cylinder and gently press into your outer ear canal opening for a quick shape impression. Do not insert fully. This first, precise impression sets fit and seal. Make sure you feel even pressure, not pain, before moving on. Once you have a good impression, remove the putty and inspect the negative mold. Then apply a thin wax layer inside the mold to create a compressible seal. Press a fresh bit of putty over the wax and reinsert gently to capture both shape and compliant seal. When cured enough to hold form, about 5–10 minutes, carefully trim excess with small scissors, leaving roughly 1/16 inch for comfort. Check symmetry by comparing both plugs. Adjust wax thickness if one side. To finish, sand any sharp edges, and if you want slight pressure relief, drill a tiny 0.5 to 1 mm vent through the center. This reduces occlusion without killing attenuation. Test the plugs in a quiet room, then in a louder setting to confirm noise reduction and comfort. Walk, chew, and tilt your head. If you feel pain, poor seal, or wind noise, reheat and remold the putty or remove a thin layer of wax. Make iterative micro-adjustments until fit and attenuation balance comfort and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.